Late means there. Off means का की के. Outside means बाहर के जानिब. Only means सिर्फ. My means मेरा, मेरी, मेरे. Their means उनका. Them means उन्हें. Mine means मेरा. As means जैसा के. At once means एकदम. At most means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. Already means पहले से. Again means दोबारा. Above means ऊपर. Also means भी. Among means दरमियान. Before means पहले. Behind means पीछे. Beside means करीब. Between means दरमियान. Subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button. Click the bell button. Get notified directly for latest uploads. But means लेकिन. Down stair means नीचे के जानिब. From means से. If means अगर. Near means करीब. Out means बाहर. To means को का जानिब. Up means ऊपर. Through means के जरिए. With means साथ.